welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, today we're going to be installing yet another frontal wig. This wig was sent over to me by Wigginshair, and as y'all can see here, this wig is just beautiful, to say the very least. I am so in love with this wig, so satisfied with what I received. This is a 13x6 HD frontal wig. It is in the body weight texture. It's 26 inches and 200% density. I'm just showing you there some of the things that came with the wig, and we are going to get to installing. I was very satisfied with the quality of this wig, both the hair and the lace. The length was perfect, very much spot on. I kind of showed you guys a small clip of where the length fell on me in the beginning. I am 5'1" for reference, but this hair straightened, it fell at a very nice place on me. I would say it's very true to length, maybe a little bit longer just from my naked eye than a 26 inch. Another thing I love about this wig is how beginner friendly it is. This is a perfect unit to start out with if you're not too experienced or too skilled in terms of installing wigs. This wig did come pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck a little bit myself as well, but it did come pre-plucked. You guys kind of saw that in the beginning clips. I also did bleach the knots myself. That's something quick and easy you can do just to give your wig a more realistic look. It did not come like that. And as you guys saw in the beginning clips, this wig did also come styled. It came with these curls in it. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like to wash my wigs fresh out of the pack before I put them on my head, so the curls weren't gonna last anyways. To each his own though. If you want to wear it straight out of the box and keep the curls in, then that's one less step for you to have to do. So again, super beginner friendly. I really did enjoy installing this wig, and I'm definitely enjoying wearing it. I really do love this wig. It's definitely one of my new faves. The quality is amazing, and overall I will rate this wig a solid 9.5 out of 10. Only reason I wouldn't give it a full 10 out of 10 is just the way it was plucked. It really wasn't anything necessarily wrong with the way it was plucked, but it's just more so of a preference thing. The quality was amazing. Like I said, the hair is amazing, very easy to install. The lace is actually very thin as well, making it even more manageable. But yeah, as always, all of the details on this wig and Wigginshair will be in the description box down below as usual. From this point on, it's more so just like a watch and see what I'm doing type of thing. Techniques have pretty much stayed the same, but I hope you guys enjoy watching me install this unit. All of the details, like I said, will be in the description box down below. I thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I thank you so much to Wigginshair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys once again, and I will see y'all in my next one. I've been on my empty mindset. I could've kept from doing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I read the nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, can't keep what's holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Got to go see her. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to see you. I know you're trying to leave. Miss, I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Now shorty, grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Know you're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, girl.
I know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these guys rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close. Let's take this overboard now. Cause you go where I'm going, yeah. And surely you get my vote, vote. 'Cause I believe you know just what you do.